away washing machine can still be useful. That's how this guy saw it when he found it. The internal parts are still valuable. This guy took the machine apart and removed everything inside. What interested him most of all was the stainless steel drum. What for? Well, it was the perfect shape to make a hydroponic garden. Really? Of course. Imagine this old, rusty, and forgotten appliance turning into an oasis of life. With patience and creativity, this ingenious individual managed to rescue the steel heart of the washing machine and give it a new life. The drum, once destined for disposal, would become the home of a vibrant hydroponic garden. So after cleaning the drum very well, removing mold and rust, the guy took his angle grinder and made some holes all around it. Then he mounted the drum on a pipe and painted it with waterproof paint. The guy took the already painted drum to his work table so he could build a rectangular structure of pipes around it. Using the welder, he joined the joints of the pipes so that they would be firm. He made a lower rectangle and another upper rectangle. In the end, it looked like a small table without a board. To prevent it from sliding, the man also placed some silicone pads on it that would stick to the surface, preventing annoying movements. The result was a simple but elegant structure, perfect for holding the drum and giving it stability. The pipes, once welded, formed a solid frame that contrasted with the smoothness of the stainless steel. The silicone pads, in addition to preventing the structure from sliding, added a touch of professional finish. Starting at the heart of his hydroponic garden, the man designed and manufactured a custom stainless steel container. Using a precise mold, he cut a sheet of stainless steel and, with a skill worthy of a craftsman, meticulously folded each side. Expertly welding the joints, he created a sturdy, watertight container. Once the container was finished, he carefully inserted it into the pipe structure and secured it firmly with screws. To facilitate handling and allow for smooth rotation, he added 4 small wheels, similar to those on a roller skate. Next, he installed an arch at each end of the structure, creating a solid and stable support for the drum. Finally, to provide the light necessary for the plants to grow, he placed a tubular lamp inside the drum. With all the parts of his garden ready, the man only had to plant the seedlings. To do this, he used containers with small holes, which he placed in the holes he had drilled in the drum. Then, he filled the stainless steel container with fresh water. By gently turning the drum, the plants received the water and nutrients they needed, while the light from the lamp stimulated their growth. The result? A sustainable and productive home hydroponic garden. Can you imagine growing your own fresh food at home